What's going on, everyone? Today we are looking at a 2022 Toyota Avalon. I'll show you how to pull the cabin filter on it. Go ahead and go to the glove box on the passenger side. You have this compartment right here. This door right here, we're going to end up taking this door off. And what you can do is push this tab inwards, and then you can pull the door off. Okay. The cabin filter is back in here. We're going to have to take this door off also. So right here on the right side, we are going to squeeze these guys together, and then you can pull the door off. Okay. A little tight in there. You can do it. You can just pull it right off. Now the left side is put in here with these little tabs. Okay. You don't actually have to squeeze anything on the left side. Okay. Pull this guy out, and this guy is full of leaves. Okay, I don't actually have a filter. I'm just checking this one today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order one. If you need one, check down in the description box. I'll have a part number and a link. So all you do is you're gonna end up reusing this plastic holder piece and just pulling out the element. Okay, when you get your new one, just make sure you put it in exactly how this one came out. See, it says up right here. So I'll put this one back, and we're gonna order a filter. And we'll change it as soon as we get that. Put that guy back in there. I'm gonna make sure it goes back all the way in the back, okay? Or you won't be able to get the door on, so. Get the door, the left side goes in first. Snap this guy on here. Get that snapped on, then you just get the cover for the glove box and snap it right on, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.